up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I'm getting ready to do a walk around of this 1972 big block C10. It's a beautiful truck. Very little flaws on it. I'm going to try to point them all out though. Kind of let you check everything out. Everything's super slick, super clean. But that's what I like to do. I do walk around videos, checking out all these rides up at Maple Motors. Check out maplemotors.com. I got every car in inventory on our site with 100 detailed pictures of them. So you can check that out, or you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to talk with you. But what I like to do is pick these trucks and cars over. Any kind of flaws that I can find, you'll see it in this video. And then I do a test drive. And then I pick how they run and drive. So be looking for that at the end of this video, or there'll be a link for it. This truck is so sweet. Front bumper looks pretty good. Grill and all that is in good shape. As you can see, the paint looks phenomenal. There's a few little rash marks on the bumper. Nothing major. The rest of it's nice and clean. Nice set of aftermarket wheels. American Racing. Front disc brakes on this truck. A lot of the seals look like they've been replaced. Mirrors look nice and new. The seal around this window hasn't been replaced, as you can see. Door handles have been replaced. They're nice and new. Look how shiny the bed is. I wouldn't even want to put anything in this one. Super clean. Tread's good on the tires. Well, guys, I'm quiet because I haven't really even seen a paint chip on this truck. No. Well, I'll try to find something here. Here we go, found some. this window, the little bracket on the bottom is broke. See that? I thought that was off a little bit. And the seal around it needs to be replaced anyways, so grab a new window when you put the seal in. All this stuff's been replaced. New antenna. Let's check the inside out. Check this one. A little stiff, but it's still connected. Everything's still good on that. No, it's just some marks. It's still solid. Temperature gauge did not work on this truck, so it's going to need one of those. Seats in good condition. Carpet looks like it's been replaced. It's new. Headliner looks good. So you can see the temperature gauge down here is not coming up. It looks like they've replaced all the cluster. Everything looks new, all this chrome. See the RPM gauge is coming up. The speedometer does work. The battery gauge does work. Gas gauge works, and the oil pressure works. The blower motor is blowing. No AC. It's not blowing hard either. About as hard as it gets. Of course, the horn don't work. Got to shut that door firmly. Go ahead and look under the hood here. It's a tight fit. Putting your hands in there if you got little hands. This truck's good. Said I believe it was a 400 big block. It's got the AC compressor. It's not blowing cold. It's all there. Motor's nice and quiet. Under the hood's nice and clean. I don't know what it'd take to get that air going, but I'd definitely start with a higher powered blower motor, because the one that's in there is pretty weak. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, I got 100 detailed pictures of this truck on my website at maple-motors.com. If you want to talk to somebody on the phone, give us a call. 615-822-4444. All that information is in the description below. I'll put links at the end of this video for a test drive video, which we're about to take. There'll also be links to the website and the music page that I've created. All the songs at the beginning of all these videos are original. I've wrote them, created them in my basement. You know, doing some home projects, and figured I'd show them off. It's a good time to do it. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.